Hello, here's the preview video for week 3 of September. We're talking about the different days of creation. So on day 4, God made the sun, moon, and stars. So that's what we'll be talking about today. Now as an introductory activity, we have the 3-ring toss. So over here I have some little pop bottles with a pool noodle sticking on top, and there's some rings here. So you can set this up here, have the kids step a few squares back, and then practice tossing it. Oh, so close. But with this introductory activity, you can review the first 3 days of creation that God made light and dark, night and day. And then day 2, God made the sky and the water below. On day 3, God made land, plants, and trees. So you can do the 3-ring toss as a review. And then I wonder what God made on day 4. And that's a good lead into this week's activity. So after that, you have the memory match, where you basically just have these picture cards, and it's the memory match game. There's a matching pair for each day. 8 cards total. Flip them over, mix them up, have the kids try to get matches by taking turns. And then after that, we have the sun and moon, which is just another very simple activity. So you can have the kids all gather on the rug over there and show them the sun, and when they see the sun, everyone stands up and stretches, kind of like a good morning stretch. And when you flip it around, they all lay down and pretend to sleep. And then flip it, and then they all rise and shine and do their morning stretches. So just a good way to kind of have some fun with them on the morning and night kind of stuff. After that, we have 2 more activities. The moon painting activity, which is right here. So you have a big circle, and then we'll have some dessert plates here. Kids can then take pour the white paint into the dessert plate, and they can take a cotton ball, kind of dab it in there, and just kind of blot it around the circle so it looks like a moon on the blue cardstock there. And since we're doing a lot of paint this week, be sure that the kids are wearing some paint shirts, old VBS shirts, old Kitty Campus shirts, things like that. After the moon painting, then we have a group project here where everyone can paint using finger paints here, kind of a landscape with grass on the bottom, and then the orange and yellow to kind of create like a sun, kind of like a sunrise on top of the memory verse. God saw everything he had made, and it was very good. After all those activities, I have kind of a felt mat over here with a bunch of stars hot glued to it. So kids can do kind of a hopscotch style star hop with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So those are your activities for day 4 of creation. Also, there is a picture here, and you can get some tape or sticky tack and have the kids add that to our Count With Me chart over here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there you go. Thank you so much. I'll see you on Sunday.